Stubborn Man, Dwayne, and 6 viewers. Don't be lurky. Just comment down below, everybody. And hit the like button. Can this be love I'm feeling right now? I know for certain I'm feeling right now. I don't recall ever feeling this way. Tell me what does one say to what makes me feel this way? Can this be love I'm feeling right now? And I'm not sure of these feelings somehow. Why do I dream of whenever you're near? I can seem to say the words. I can seem to say the words to hear you now. This is the first time I'm gonna say I love you. It's the first time I ever felt so